Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fall cleaning motivation. I'm sharing my scarecrow, my little gnome that came from Dollar General. And I'm burning this True Living candle, also from Dollar General. And salted caramel, one of my favorites. That's my little pillow and my fall blanket on the couch. And we did get a new couch. I was just sharing some of my fall decorations. I didn't go all out this year. I love fall, but I had so much going on that, you know, it just wasn't like top priority to drag all my fall stuff out. I didn't even decorate outside. And I'm drinking iced coffee with some pumpkin spice creamer in it. Yum! And here I'm just doing the dishes, like always. I feel like even though I always clean my kitchen, I always enjoy watching the cleaning motivation videos in the kitchen. They really motivate me. So maybe some of you need kitchen motivation as well. And I enjoy filming in the kitchen. So that's kind of what I'm sharing here. And on this day, we are literally doing the bare minimum. I ain't gonna lie. Some days we feel like scrubbing every inch of the house, and other days we don't. Today's definitely one of those days, so I'm literally just working in the kitchen today and getting as much as I can or want to get done, because sometimes, let's be honest, we don't feel like getting it all done. Just enough to get done. Taking your trash out, doing your dishes, just a little. Usually like Sunday is like my home reset day, and I'll like deep clean bathroom and all the laundry and all that stuff on Sundays and just prepare for the week ahead. Scrubbing these plates. I love these plates we picked up from DollarTree. They are sectioned plates, and my husband doesn't really like his food like to touch. We got these trays, these section trays, and they're working fantastic. And I got a pink one, a blue one, and a red one. They also had a green one, but I left that one behind. But they're really nice though. I love all the sections areas to them, and Connor likes them because they're like lunch trays. Just fun. Seems like it takes a long time to rinse the dishes. It's been rainy here. It's starting to get cold. If you're new here to my channel, my name is Abby and I live in Kentucky. I am not looking forward to winter. I just am not. Winter is not my favorite. What's y'all's favorite season? Mine is fall. 100%. I think fall has really nice, almost perfect weather. Not too cold, not too hot. And if it's not raining, it's just like perfect. I love being outside during the fall. And I just love it. Plus I'm a big girl, so in the summer I burn up, so yeah, fall's where it's at. Plus I love the pumpkins, the colors that come with fall, the falling leaves, like all of it. All of it. I love it. I know a lot of you do too. I didn't get much footage at the end of like the kitties and stuff. They are 5 months old, and Kit Kat is over a year old now. They are growing fast, and I love them to bits. Marshmallow, Kit Kat, and Hershey. Hershey's my big baby. She likes to stay in the house most of the night. And Connor, I cannot believe I'm going to have a 11-year-old come February, and it just is flying by. Connor went to his first school dance. He's in 4th grade. He did not enjoy it, guys. He's kind of like introvert, like John and I. So he doesn't really like the social mingle. He doesn't really like lots of loud noises. He didn't really enjoy it that much. I don't think he'll be asking to go to another dance for a while probably. And he's totally crushing on this girl at school. It's so sweet. He's like, I can't wait to get to school to make her laugh and stuff. It's so sweet. And speaking of children, most of you know, if you've been with my channel for a while, that I have 2 sisters, Mindy and Rachel. I'm the oldest. My sister Mindy's the middle child, and Rachel is the baby. Mindy has 2 kids. I have 1 child. Rachel is pregnant now. and she's having a boy. It's really, really exciting. But I also have 2 stepbrothers and a stepsister as well. So we're like the Brady Bunch. And I can't believe how Christmas is literally right around the corner either. Portion of my shopping done, which I'm pretty happy about. This stove was actually my Granny Gertie's, and this was actually in her trailer when she was still living. I love that stove. It is still running and going. I don't know exactly how old it is, but it's older than me, and I'm 37. Clean this filthy window, and you also saw my trash. So I was gathering trash, doing windows, and this is old footage, but I still wanted to share it with you because I just love it. Like, the leaves are starting to turn, some of them are starting to fall, and it's still kind of lush outside, and I just love when the backyard looks like this. So beautiful. Perfect little fall day. Have you all ever heard, like, when you see the leaves, they're silver side like that, when they're turned up like that, it's rain's coming? I don't know if it's like a southern thing or not. Warning, arachnophobia here. My husband would die over this. He hates spiders. But this spider, it was out in the morning enjoying a meal while I was taking Connor to the bus stop, so I just decided to record some footage of it. But it's just a large garden spider, and I'm pretty sure they're harmless. We do have black widows here and brown recluses, and we find black widows all the time. It's pretty scary. We do have some of the most venomous snakes in the United States too here. We have copperheads, rattlesnakes, we have cottonmouths, and here's a couple little pieces of the little kitties. So here is a picture of Hershey on the couch. This is literally where she likes to sit, right in the little nook beside of me. That is all the cleaning motivation I have to share today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful and motivational, maybe enjoyed the chat. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.